Gallery, I'm already watch your video 7 minutes ha, gallery. 7 minutes, my friend. Okay, we will pin electrical. Okay guys, I wanna type in guys, electrical. Okay. I'm single yet. Oh, you're single. How many days you're single, Sir Gran? Queen J also, Sir Gran. It's yummy. Our friend Queen J also yummy, Sir Gran. Katawa ka na day ba day? Kita na sa lami unday yummy gani ya day. Mary tomorrow. Mary tomorrow. Okay, congrats, Sir Gran. Okay, OTW na kapin. Thank you, gallery. Thank you. Electrical, my friend. +1 banana ha. I will view your video. Watch your video. Then +1 banana. Concrete slab, electrical pipe, fittings working process. 2 months ago. Okay, I will full watch your video. Only 3 minutes something. Full watch your video ha. Electrical, my friend. Sir Gran, you can drop your video, Sir Gran. Drop. So that they will visit your video. Still watching, huh? Still watching. Still watching to you, my friend. Still watching. They Queen. Baik mo bagong upload day Queen. Still watching, still watching. Baba, link day. Pamago ni Maday Maday. Kaya itong i-view na ilis akong alagad day para madagan ang views day. Kaya di na lang pagkapagpabutang bukuan. Di na ka magpabutang og sinihan. Si day. Di na ka magpabutang sinihan day. Tapos kung sa dayo, gusto ni siya dayo. Sige, gawas dayo. Nga umatay ka buka. Mukha eh. Still watching, my friend. Guys, please visit the one type in, guys. Electrical. Okay, almost done. Electrical, my friend. Almost done. Playing your video. Okay, Sir Gran. I will pin you, Sir Gran. Okay, guys, don't type in Sir Gran. You can visit, guys. Please visit the one type in, guys, Sir Gran. Electrical, my friend, still playing. Still playing. Electrical, my friend, still playing. Still playing. Tapos kan kaya pa lumog siya kasi gumubunga siya. Pwede man siguro, pero alternate lang, lilit na ng video to. Sige, sige. Baba na day, utangan ako day. Baba na day. Pagbawa na day, oh. Done playing ha. Done playing. Electrical, my friend. Sir Grande, kapila naman may ikatulo na niya. Ikatulo na. I'm saving your medicine.